The Google G Suite is a set of cloud-based apps that can be used to create documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and more. Earning your G Suite certification demonstrates your ability to use digital skills to work collaboratively and productively in a professional environment. Completing this lesson on Google Slides will help prepare you for your G Suite certification exam. Google Slides is a cloud-based presentation application that allows you to design slide decks and collaborate. You can format text on your slides using smart editing and styling tools. You can also add and edit a variety of non-text elements, including images, videos, tables, and graphs, and present your ideas to a large group, like a team meeting or a conference. This lesson uses a planning presentation for a fundraiser organized by a community group. But you can apply these skills in any presentation, whether it's for a business organization, a community group, or just your family. As you complete this lesson, you will add media to your Google Slides presentation. You will insert and edit images from Google Drive and from the web, add videos from links and files, and create lines and shapes on your slides. To work on this lesson, sign into your Google account, open a new tab in your browser, and navigate to google.com. If you are not signed in, do so now. If you do not have a Google account, pause the video and create one now. Open your Google Drive. Find the presentation you created in Lesson 1 and open it. Move on to the next video to add images to your presentation. Now, it's your turn. Log into your Google account and open the practice presentation you created in the previous lesson.